Hi amazing people, I wish that you're very happy, very fine and enjoying your life as well, and I welcome you on behalf of our company Fesgi Consultant. And in today's video I'm going to teach you German language, because if you are planning to study in Germany, or if you want to do a job in Germany, if you have intention to open your company in future in Germany, or if you are applying for a spouse visa for your husband or wife, and even if you want to be a doctor in Germany, then it is imperative for you to learn German language to achieve all your future goals. And I'm here to help you to fulfill all your dreams. So now, without wasting time, let's get started. And today I want to teach you very special modal verb, and that's called wollen. Wollen in German language, and in English language we call it to want. The meaning is to want. So you can imagine, to want is a verb we use all the time, like I want this, I want that, I want to be a doctor, what do you want in life? So we use this. So today I will make sure that you understand the meaning, the pronunciation, the conjugation, and how you can use in sentences. So I will cover all the areas so I can make sure that you can today fix into your mind forever. So first let's learn about the conjugation. So first we have ich will. Ich will, that means I want. Here again we have du willst. Du willst, that means you want. You want. Here we have will. Sie will, that means he wants or she wants. Then we have wir wollen. Wir wollen. I always tell you that with the wir we always use the infinitive form of the verb, so it becomes easy to remember the conjugation, and also you can easily pronounce. So now the next we have ihr wollt. Ihr wollt. Ihr wollt, that means you all want. So it's very easy as well. Now let's jump on to the last one. So sie wollen. Sie wollen. Here again I told you that you can use the infinitive form of the verb, so with wir and third person plural, so you can use wollen. Sie wollen. Sie wollen, that means they want and you want or you all want. So this is the conjugation. Now you can pronounce and you can speak like me, like ich will, du willst, will, sie will, es will, wir wollen, ihr wollt, sie wollen, sie wollen. And now I have prepared some small sentences so that you can use. So first we have ich will Pizza, that means I want pizza. Then we have du willst Pizza, then you want pizza. Then we have will Pizza, he wants pizza, and sie will Pizza, she wants pizza. Then we have wir wollen Pizza, that means we want pizza. Then we have ihr wollt Pizza, that means you want pizza. And here we have sie wollen Pizza, that means they want pizza. And here with capital S, you all want pizza or you want pizza. So these are the small sentences. Now you can express your feeling using this verb wollen, to want. So I hope I've done justice today and you have understood completely the conjugation, the meaning, the sentences, and also how we write. So everything is clear, I hope. So that's what I want, that whatever efforts I'm putting in, and it just pays me off. You understand everything, and that's all I want. So keep learning German language, and I'll see you in the next video. So now I believe that you have understood everything and you have learned something new today in this video. And also we provide German language classes. So if you want to make better your German language, listening, writing, reading and speaking, then you can simply join our classes, and for that you can contact us via call, WhatsApp and Instagram. And that's how we can connect, and we will assist you thoroughly so that you can achieve your goals, you can fulfill your dreams, and that's how you can be successful in your life. And that's the goal we have. And in short, if you like this video, so please like, share, subscribe our channel, give it a thumbs up, press the bell icon button to make sure that you get the notification and you can watch all our new videos. And also you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So finally, thank you so much for your precious time. Best of luck. Take care.